Welcome inside a modern apricot jam factory, where thousands of fresh apricots are transformed into smooth, delicious jam through a fully automated production process. The journey begins with an intensive washing stage. Powerful water jets and rotating brushes remove dirt, dust, and unwanted debris while keeping the fruit moving continuously along the production line. After washing, the apricots travel across stainless steel conveyors. Every step is designed to maintain food safety while preparing the fruit for the next stage of processing. Now the fruit reaches the pitting system. Automated machines separate the hard pits from the soft flesh with impressive speed and accuracy, reducing waste while preserving the valuable fruit. The cleaned fruit is crushed into a smooth apricot pulp. This vibrant mixture becomes the foundation of the jam, carrying the fruit's natural color and flavor. The fresh pulp flows into large stainless steel mixing tanks, where the next ingredients are carefully prepared before the cooking process begins. The fresh pulp flows into large stainless steel mixing tanks, where the next ingredients are carefully prepared before the cooking process begins. The fresh pulp flows into large stainless steel mixing tanks, where the next ingredients are carefully prepared before the cooking process begins. The fresh pulp flows into large stainless steel mixing tanks, where the next ingredients are carefully prepared before the cooking process begins. Measured amounts of sugar are added to the mixture. The recipe is carefully controlled to create the perfect balance of sweetness, texture, and consistency. The cooking stage is one of the most important parts of the process. The mixture is heated while sensors constantly monitor temperature to ensure every batch meets strict quality standards. As the water evaporates, the mixture gradually thickens into rich apricot jam. Large industrial stirrers keep everything moving evenly to prevent burning and maintain a smooth texture. While the jam finishes cooking, empty glass jars are thoroughly washed and sterilized. Clean containers are essential for both food safety and long shelf life. The hot jam is automatically dispensed into each jar with remarkable precision. Every container receives nearly the exact same amount. Immediately afterward, metal lids are placed and tightly sealed. Sealing the jars while the jam is still hot helps preserve freshness and protect the product from contamination. The sealed jars pass through another hot water treatment, providing an additional layer of sterilization and ensuring the product remains safe during storage and transportation. Next comes the labeling station. Every jar receives its branded label with accurate product information, giving each package a finished retail appearance. Before leaving the production line, automated inspection systems check the jars for proper filling levels, secure lids, and correctly positioned labels. Approved jars are grouped together and packed into sturdy shipping cartons. Robotic equipment speeds up the packaging process while keeping every box neatly organized. The final cartons are stacked onto pallets and wrapped for shipment. From fresh apricots to perfectly sealed jars, this entire factory demonstrates how modern automation produces thousands of jars of apricot jam with speed, precision, and consistent quality every single day. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this inside look at how apricot jam is made in a modern factory. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page, Flux USA, for more amazing factory process videos from around the world. We'll see you in the next one.